Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ranch dressing with Greek yogurt. This simple recipe transforms a classic into a healthier option, perfect for any meal. Using Greek yogurt as the base significantly reduces fat and calories while boosting protein content. It's incredibly easy to prepare, often taking less than 5 minutes from start to finish, making it ideal for busy schedules. You'll love this fresh, homemade alternative. To begin, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, which forms the creamy foundation. Next, have about 1/2 cup of milk ready to adjust the dressing's thickness. For flavor, grab 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. Fresh herbs like dill, chives, and parsley are fantastic, about 1/2 tablespoon of each, or use 1/2 teaspoon of their dried counterparts. Finally, a squeeze of lemon juice or a splash of vinegar adds a delightful tang. Now let's mix this delicious dressing. In a medium bowl, combine your Greek yogurt, all the herbs, garlic powder, onion powder, and lemon juice or vinegar. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and evenly blended. Next, slowly pour in the milk, about 1 tablespoon at a time, whisking continuously. This allows you to control the consistency, add more for a thinner dressing or less for a thicker dip. Don't forget to taste and adjust salt and pepper to your liking. Your homemade Greek yogurt ranch dressing is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately as a creamy dip for your favorite vegetables, or drizzle it generously over a fresh salad. It also makes a fantastic, lighter spread for sandwiches or wraps. For storage, transfer any unused dressing to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will maintain its freshness and flavor for about 5 to 7 days. Remember, it's best not to freeze this dressing, as it can affect its smooth, creamy texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.